In recent years, cryptocurrency popularity has skyrocketed and celebrities have joined in on the excitement. Celebrities have emerged as some of the most recognizable cryptocurrency adopters. The activities of specific individuals even heavily influence some cryptocurrencies' values. The number of celebrities who have an interest in cryptocurrencies is quickly expanding. In today's video, we will discuss these celebrities and their crypto assets, so stick to the video to learn more. Several celebrities own cryptocurrencies, but there are only a few celebrities who have a substantial effect on people adopting cryptocurrencies. Let's discuss them one by one. Number 1. Elon Musk. Elon Musk is now one of the most well-known and influential figures in the cryptocurrency world. Musk owns at least 0.25 BTC, which was given to him by a friend many years ago. Elon Musk officially supported Bitcoin in 2019 and termed its architecture excellent. He added #Bitcoin to his Twitter bio in January 2021, prompting the BTC price to rise by more than 25% in a few days. In February 2021, his firm Tesla paid $1.5 billion for Bitcoin, according to Bitcoin treasuries. The current value of the first cryptocurrency, the unrealized return on this Tesla investment is 75%, or more than $1 billion. Musk is also a proponent of the Dogecoin cryptocurrency. He frequently tweets about this coin, producing price fluctuations in this cryptocurrency. Musk's tweets and support aided Dogecoin's entry into the top 10 cryptocurrencies in market valuation in 2021. Despite being developed to ridicule the crypto ecosystem, the market price of the Dogecoin has more than tripled due to Musk's backing. Doge's success has spawned dog-based meme tokens, with Shiba Inu being one of the most well-known. Musk also has a well-publicized crush on the original meme, cryptocurrency Doge, which is the primary reason the currency's price has risen in early 2021. He is presently embroiled in a prominent lawsuit alleging that he conducted a pyramid scheme based on Dogecoin. The complaint seeks $258 billion in damages, much more than his already very high net worth of $210 billion. Musk stated on Twitter that he will continue to support Doge and even purchase the dip despite the suit. Number 2. Jack Dorsey. Jack Dorsey, the CEO of Twitter and Square, is a fervent supporter of Bitcoin. His passion for Bitcoin dates back to 2017. Dorsey remained undeterred when the crypto market fell in 2018, declaring Bitcoin the future world currency despite the digital currency's lowest point in several years. In March 2019, Jack Dorsey said he spends several $1,000s weekly on Bitcoin purchases. In turn, Jack Dorsey is the CEO of Square, which has purchased over 8,000 Bitcoins by the end of 2020. This investment's unrealized gain is expected to be more than 120%. Mike Tyson. Mike Tyson, a well-known professional boxer and a social media celebrity, saw Bitcoin's potential before other celebrities, declaring his support for the cryptocurrency in 2015 and claiming that he is grateful to be a part of the revolution. That same year, he collaborated with Bitcoin ATM producers, resulting in BTC ATMs with his face tattoo. Furthermore, Iron Mike worked with Bitcoin Direct to offer a mobile BTC wallet. Before drawing celebrities into the Bitcoin industry became widespread, boxing great Mike Tyson began endorsing cryptocurrency ventures. In addition to investing in Bitcoin, Tyson presented a Bitcoin ATM with his face tattoo design in 2015. Tyson also helped to establish the Bitcoin Direct mobile crypto wallet. He debuted his NFT collection in August 2021, which sold out in less than an hour. Some NFTs were worth more than 5 ETH, and Tyson's NFT trading volume exceeded 1.4 billion shortly after the NFT sold out. Number 3. Mark Cuban. Mark Cuban, the owner of the Dallas Mavericks and a billionaire Shark Tank star, appears to have a love-hate connection with Bitcoin. He once urged individuals to invest at least 10% of their portfolio in Bitcoin, but then stated that he'd rather possess bananas than Bitcoin. The TV personality and business entrepreneur also owns the Dallas Mavericks, a basketball franchise. A basketball franchise that has accepted Bitcoin for tickets through the BitPay BTC payment system since 2019. Cuban said in April 2020 that his BTC holdings were worth $130. Even so, that would represent an 8 times profit currently. Soon after, Cuban stated that he had long held numerous other cryptocurrencies. The billionaire also believes that Ether will eventually eclipse Bitcoin and that the Ethereum 2.0 update will usher in a new era for the whole cryptocurrency industry. In 2021, he became involved in the Dogecoin buzz as the Dallas Mavericks began taking meme currency as payment for tickets and goods. Number 4. Snoop Dogg. The American rapper was ahead of the curve in the early days of Bitcoin in 2012, making his songs accessible for purchase using BTC. Each CD was priced 0.3 BTC, however it is unknown how many records he has sold or how much BTC he possesses. Nonetheless, he continues to promote the crypto ecosystem and, like Elon Musk, has a soft spot for Dogecoin. Number 5. Floyd Mayweather Jr. The well-known professional boxer is one of the most prominent celebrities that hold Bitcoin. In 2017, for example, he tweeted that he was spending his Bitcoin fortune in Beverly Hills. He also suggested that it was fine for supporters to refer to him as Floyd Crypto Mayweather. Unfortunately, he and DJ Khaled were penalized by the SEC in 2018 for promoting an unlawful initial coin offering. In a lawsuit filed this month in California, boxing star Floyd Mayweather was accused of leveraging his celebrity to pump a little-known cryptocurrency called Ethereum Max as a part of a broader profit scheme. The Securities and Exchange Commission charged Mayweather in 2018 for failing to disclose his income for advocating investments in initial cryptocurrency offerings. Number 6. Paris Hilton. Paris Hilton is an American media celebrity, model, actor, and entrepreneur. Hilton, on the other hand, had no reason to be concerned about her financial status because her perfume line became the world's second largest by a celebrity. She has moved on to a potentially more profitable scene, cryptos, notably NFTs. Hilton has been an outspoken supporter of cryptocurrency, NFTs, and the metaverse for far longer than any other celebrity. Hilton's ability to get in early and profit is evident in her crypto and NFT ventures. She said she purchased Bitcoin and Ethereum in 2016 when BTC was valued at around $1,000 and ETH was barely trading for $10. It is unknown how much she owns or has other cryptocurrencies, but she is most likely quite wealthy. She was also an early adopter of NFTs. Her first NFT was launched on April 17, 2021, a week before Bored Ape Yacht Club. The one-to-one piece fetched an absurd, at the time, $1.1 million. In October of last year, she stated her metaverse name Paris World in the famous Roblox core game, continuing the trend of early acceptance. In an interview, Hilton stated that NFTs have completely taken over my entire mind and soul, and that I've never been so enthused about something in my life because I truly believe this is the future. Take her praise with a big grain of salt because this interview was about her very successful NFT mini, 600,000 plus income. Hilton is probably benefiting handsomely from her crypto connections, but her assistance has been vital. Number 7. Jay-Z. Sean Carter, aka Jay-Z, is a renowned 21-time Grammy winner, record executive, financier, and media mogul. While he has previously discussed other pathways to financial independence, his latest concentration has been on cryptocurrencies and NFTs. Except for Bitcoin and Ethereum, it has not been revealed how much money he has in cryptos or even which ones he owns. The rapper is focused on Bitcoin Academy, a new initiative that teaches blockchain and financial literacy. Residents of Brooklyn's Marcy Houses, where he grew up, will be able to take advantage of the free course. He certainly cares about people as much as he does about getting money. Jay-Z, Snoop Dogg, and Paris Hilton were among the first celebrities to invest in NFTs. He purchased a CryptoPunks NFT in April 2021 and made it his Twitter profile photo 2 months later. This action was a significant motivator for the whole NFT industry. It generated a flood of attention and established a precedent for other celebrities to follow, resulting in even more press coverage. This concludes our video. Famous personalities have greater reach than the average person, and if done correctly, their endorsement might help push the crypto field ahead significantly. Even people who promote cryptocurrency initiatives add value in their way. This is not to say there are no repercussions. People will lose money in any market, celebrity endorsements or no celebrity endorsements. It would be preferable if influential individuals promoted the whole crypto sector rather than cherry-picking specific initiatives, especially if they do not fully understand them. But this may be too much to expect. Thank you for watching.